Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great day today. I'm back, guys. First thing I want you to do is go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? For you guys that's here for the first time, you may not realize that the channel you landed on, because you're searching online right now how to make money from home, my channel is an affiliate marketing channel. Okay? I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, and I show you different home-based opportunities in which you can promote straight from home, okay? From your laptop, your computer, your smartphone, okay? Any smart device, okay? Just need Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so today I've got another one for you guys. I've been watching this program for about 4 months now, and I went ahead and decided to pull the trigger 2 days ago on it. Okay, and you're looking at one of the capture pages that I have with this as well. But I want to come to you guys because I want to show you what made me go ahead and decide to do this. Okay, I'm always looking for additional income streams, but I look beyond that because what I like to look at is, could the average person do it? Is it duplicatable for people that don't have a list, that's starting from scratch, because we don't want to bother friends and family, okay? So I want to get something where people can do this. Doesn't matter if they have a list or not, but mostly people don't have a list. So that's why I went ahead and I wanted to try it first and see how it was going to work before I brought it to you guys, okay? And it worked out perfectly. You probably heard about it. You've seen it online, Club Cash Fund. That's correct. Went ahead and joined it. One of my good buddies, he's been in it for 4 months. And I see great things is happening with it. So I decided to go ahead and do that, okay? So just 2 days ago, I jumped in, all right? What made me also do this, guys, not just the program, but I see that you actually don't have to do any mailings. That's the part that I couldn't get past initially. I'm like, okay, you don't really have to do any mailings. So I went ahead and did it, and I'm going to show you how I did it with just traffic, okay? No one has, I think I introduced it to 3 people, colleagues of mine. But far as my list, nobody on my list has gotten anything from me on it. Okay, because I ran traffic. I wanted to see exactly if this page would convert and if I could actually get some people that I never spoke to request the kits. And I actually did. So I'm going to show you those results. Okay, so let's go over right now. Okay, what I'm going to show you right here, guys, is I use the conversion pros. Okay, because I didn't know how this was going to work out. Move this over. And I know that the company has the capture page, right? And those leads are going to go in their back office, which is fine. But I wanted to also receive them as well, okay? Because I didn't know how this was going to work. So it was a test, and they passed. So I had them opt in to one of my capture pages. Then they also opted in to the company's capture page. So that was really awesome. It was a double opt-in, but it worked out. So as you can see, I'm in the conversion pros, and it says I have 63 opt-ins. Now, I only purchased 100 clicks. 100, because I want to test this page. And I received, out of those clicks, I've got 63 people that opted in. And I'm going to show you the date on it so you can see. Okay, because I only joined this 2 days ago. So hang on, let me show you that. Okay, if you look right here, I named that landing page Team Easy Profit 1001. That's the name of the landing page I used. And if you look right here, okay, the landing page name, and it shows you the date, 7/18. Okay, so these two coincide. That's the name of the page, and it shows you right here, and here's all the leads, okay? Okay, so you see that's the same page, okay? Okay, so as you can see that here, let me pull this down a little bit. So I want you to see, hold on 1 second. Okay, right here, see 7/18, and see the name? So 63 people opted in from 100. Well, they gave me 10 extra over. They over delivered. So 100 out of 110, 63 people opted in. Okay. All right. So let's go take a look in the back office of Club Cash Fund, because I want you guys to see that you can do this without mailing. That's what I wanted to see, and that actually worked. So hang on. Okay, guys. Now here's my website. You can go to besteasyworkincome.com to get your kit right now. All right. Right here, guys. Okay, 7 kits in position 1. I just got in this. Okay, now I do have a commission coming too, by the way. I signed up someone. You can do it if you want to do it faster. Cash App. I can have you send the owner $100 Cash App, and then we can get you in the same day. You don't have to wait for your letter to come in and mail it back in. Okay, you can do this ASAP via Cash App. And I'll tell you how. Just get with me. Okay. So right now we'll just show you these results. Okay. So 7 kits. Now let me go show you that as well. Hang on. Okay. I'm covering up this because it gives the person's name and their email. Okay. So not to mention you get real addresses, not email. I'm sorry. You get real addresses. When people request their kit, they put in their real address. Okay. So this is leads too that you can use to mail to. Okay, not to mention you can hit this button right here and download your leads immediately and load them wherever you want to. But just take a look. Now, 7/19, that's today. And you see, I've got somebody. This is the person that paid me a Cash App. So that $20 is going to show up here shortly. But here's the people that actually requested the kit. Okay, never spoke to these people. Okay, all I did is send traffic. I sent traffic, guys. So this works. This is a direct mail in reverse. Because typically we have to mail out the letter, right? That's typically what we do. We mail the letters or the postcards to people to get them to look at what we want to look at. This one, the company is going to do that for you. Okay? So just get people to your page. So this is the page that they give you. Get people to this page. They will put in their information. They'll request the kit. Okay, so I did the test, it worked, and then I'm going to show you the emails you get too. The company keeps you informed so you don't have to guess, well, what's going on. I'm going to show you the emails. Hang on a sec. That's why I had to get it and I had to test it, but I wanted to come to you first so I can show you this is for anybody. You can run traffic, don't have to mail out anything. If you don't want to, just send traffic and let the company send the kits for you. Hang on a second. Okay, now let me show you this too. Hang on one second. My thing is acting crazy. Okay, guys, right here, you can see, welcome, 7/17. They sent me a message. As soon as I signed up, right here. I did it via Cash App too, by the way. Okay, so this works. If you're ready to get started today, you can do Cash App, send your $100 to the company. You can get in today. Otherwise, you go to my link below, request your kit, your letter, it'll be mailed to you. You know, it'll take however long it takes mail to get to you, then you have to mail it back in, okay? But take a look, guys. Okay, then what I like is it told me what kits were going out, when they were going out. Okay, I told you I just started the 17th, the 18th. These people they sent the kits out to these people. I'm using my lead capture too. But let me show you that. Okay, so I had one kit that went out on Thursday, and they sent me an email. So this is pretty cool, so you know what's going on. Hey Pandora, I just processed the following starter kit on your behalf. These kits are being mailed to people that have requested them. So you have one kit in position 1. They sent that one. Okay, then more. Let me show you those. Okay. Today at 12:10, which is 3 hours ago, 6 kits. Okay, I never spoke to these people. That's what I'm telling you guys. You can do this business, no mailing required. Send traffic. Okay, this works. So just think about that. 7 kits are going out. I never spoke to any of these people. Hang on a second. Okay, so you go back. I'm back in my back office again. It even tells me I saved $8. So if I had to mail out all the kits, that's what I would have had to spend. I know when I mail people their leads in the brown envelope, 6x9, that's pretty much what they are. I do spend $1 and some change. So this is what it's saying. You save that amount. I never mailed anything out. I never spoke to any of these people. Okay? Traffic works for this. Okay? It actually works. I tested it. That's why I'm talking to you guys now. So yes, I've joined Club Cash Fund. It's only $100, guys. $100. And look at the potential of what's going to more than likely happen just from that one campaign. Okay? So if they mail 7 kits, you get $20 times 7, that's $140. Okay, not to mention you're looking at 3 tiers. Okay, but check this out right here, the pending. So they're saying there's 1 kit pending. As of today, these other 7 have gone out, and it shows you the position. So that's like 3 tiers. Okay, you know, in our other program that I have 2 tiers. This one is 3 tiers. So when you think about, let's say you had 10 people. Okay, let's say I signed up 10 people right now. They all mailed in their $100. That's going to be $200, right, for me on position 1. But guess what? Those 10 people, I'm going to be in their position 2, right? So when they make money, I also make money. Okay, and then we've got the position 3 of their people. I'm going to make money off of that 3rd tier. So you see how these $20 are going to just snowball. Okay, effortlessly, I'm talking effortlessly, income that's going to be coming in just because I'm going to be bringing in people from my efforts, and then my team, I'm going to be making those $20 commissions. And by the way, my sponsor has been in this for 4 months. Okay, and he's made $15,000 with this program, guys. So think about that. You don't have to mail. Now, I've got people I see that's starting to mail just because they want to just go offline and start doing some offline. That's great. But is it required? Absolutely not. But you do want to get exposure, and that's what I'm doing. I'm sending traffic. I'm sending traffic. That's what I'm going to do, is send traffic. Continue to do that. And then I will test the offline marketing as well. But I wanted you guys just to see that this actually works. The company does what they say they're going to do. And by the way, I spoke to the owner the day that I decided to sign up. I was actually talking to the person that I was going to join, and the owner was there, and I spoke to him as well. So that's why I decided to go ahead and jump in, and I've tested the system. I'm getting the emails, so I know when the kits are going out. I know who the kits are going to. I have everybody's address. Okay, so you know this thing is working on your behalf. Okay, so you're kept in the loop on what's going on with your business at all times. When these kits are going out, when they're pending, who's mailing, who's going to receive the kit, everything. Email notification, the owner responds to you. Like I said, right now I have a person that just signed up with the Cash App because he wanted to get started right away. I text the owner, he texts me back. I mean, he's very responsive. And like I said, I can check the status of everything. I'm big on checking status of things. That's just something I like to do to make sure everything is running smoothly so that I know what's going on. So, yes, Club Cash Fund. This is going to be awesome, guys. It's a great, it's another great income stream for me. I'm going to add to my portfolio. Of course, yes, I'm still in 30 day, and yes, I'm still in 6-figure. Okay, guys? None of that has changed. I have one postcard I promote for both of those. But this is another income stream that's going to be working on my behalf. All I have to do is run traffic, just like I do for my online business, for my digital business. All I need to do is run traffic to my capture page, and boom, the kits will go out, and I can track that, okay? So this is going to be a good income stream. I'll come back, guys, when my kit comes in. I'm still waiting on my sales letter. I've only been in for 48 hours, okay? So I'll come back with that and some more info. But definitely get started with this one for $100. You can't beat it, okay? And I'm going to give everybody some leads to get started. I will email them to you, okay? And the source that I'm using for this traffic, because it works and their page converts. Okay, that's why I click the notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next video. Okay? You guys have a blessed day.